How to fix mobile data is not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network and internet. Now here you see airplane mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on erase all data, factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, video will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix mobile data is not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.